Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix a network cable is not properly plugged in or may be broken error in Windows. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Copy text from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.